YouTube, my name is Roland and this is Manuel, and welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. We're gonna do a first time review of an NMD sneaker, so stick around. Okay guys, so as mentioned, we're doing a detailed review of these sneakers. So these are the NMD R1. These were actually released last year, 2018 in September. And this is actually a very nice sneakers, very underrated. I got this actually from StockX at about $60 to $70. I can't remember, but it's very cheap. And it's really nice. I mean, before I always wanted to have an NMD, but it's very hard to get. Especially early 2000.
This is the original one, the black with the red and blue.
Yeah, the black and the red and blue pods over here. It's very difficult, but this one, as soon as I saw this, I immediately got this pair because I really like the colorway, which is the Camo. I never had a Camo sneakers before. Plus, of course, I like the NMDs, and if ever I'm gonna get a green sneakers, it's definitely gonna be an olive color. So yeah, the NMDs on the upper, you have this mesh material in camouflage colorway, and you have this three-stripe fuse overlay, which is actually in 3M reflective. I didn't know it at first, but then I tried to take a photo of it and put some flash, and it actually reflects on the palm, or since it's a boot-like construction, basically this acts as the palm. This Adidas logo over here also is in 3M reflective. Oh. Then you have olive lace loops over here with olive lace. You have this olive lace loops over here, the olive laces. And then at the back you have this, not sure, is this olive or like dark brown? I think this is olive. So you have an olive heel cup or heel counter. No, this is just an olive heel tab. And then on the back you have the olive heel tab with the Adidas Originals logo. Then you have this pull tab over here which says branded three stripes. Yeah. Branded in different languages. Yeah, in different branded three stripes in different languages. So on the medial side you have this full leg boost. Then you have this pods over here. You have the Adidas branding over here, and this is just, you have this foam over here in the, olive. Now on the outsole, you have your typical NMD outsole with exposing the boost that you have there, and then you have this Adidas branding in different language. Same as the full cap. Yeah. So Troy, what can you say about these sneakers?
I think this particular NMD is camo bag. Really, it's really neutral. Different shades of olive. Not really a big fan of the camo pattern. I like the olive colors though. Different shades of olive, and from afar you will like mistaken this for like a fake pair.
Yes,
right.
Yes. That's what I like about these, because when I saw it, oh, it looks like fake, but actually it's not.
Maybe for the younger people, they can rock this colorway. But for me personally, I like it just looking at it, but wearing it, it won't be my style.
Actually, I'm still not sure if I should be keeping this pair or not. I'm thinking that I maybe give this away to one of you guys, but I haven't decided yet. Maybe I'll think about it in the future, so watch out for it.
Okay. And speaking of giveaway, we have two giveaways. The first one is the Air Jordan 1 Low in the black toe colorway.
And we're also giving away an Ultra Boost 19. So please guys, if you haven't watched our epic 250,000 or 5,000 US dollars mystery sneaker unboxing, please do check it out because all the mechanics are there.
And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button.
Follow us on all our social media accounts. We have Snapchat, we have Twitter, we have TikTok, we have Facebook, and we have Instagram.
Again, my name is Farlan.
And this is Manuel.
Until next time.